Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a comparison of two mid-range phones, the Moto G5S Plus with the Nokia 6. So these two phones are priced around the 15k pricing, with the Moto G5S Plus coming for 15,999 while the Nokia 6 is retails for 14,999. So these are two devices which are available online only, and in this video we'll talk about all the aspects and see which is a better device to buy in this price segment. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first step, let's talk about the design and build quality. So design wise, you could see that both are really good looking device out there. The Moto G5S Plus has a design which is quite similar to the Moto M with a dual camera. It is made of a really great aluminum alloy and looks pretty premium. On the other hand, we have the Nokia 6, again looks really great. The build quality is again aluminum. So almost both the devices are really great in terms of the build quality, fit and finish, and looks are also pretty premium on both the phones. So we would leave it to your viewers to decide which is a better looking device out there in terms of the design and build quality. Both are pretty good and looks pretty good as well. Now we have fingerprint scanner on both the devices on the front panel, the 5.5 inch full HD display, and the power and volume keys are on the right side on both the devices. The bottom panel houses the speaker unit and the micro USB charging slot. The top panel houses the 3.5mm audio jack, and on the left side we have the SIM tray on both the phones. So both these devices are almost similar in terms of design elements, but both come with really great build quality as well. So that is the design and build quality. Now let's talk about the display. So we have a 5.5 inches full HD display on both the phones. We have 2.5D glass on both the phones, and both the devices are protected by Gorilla Glass. So again, both are really good and both provide great experience altogether. Viewing angles and color reproduction are pretty good on both the phones. So again, it's a tie in terms of the display quality. So both the phones provide really good display abilities. Now next step, let's talk about the software. So this is one area where these two devices are again exactly the same. We have a stock Android on both the phones. Both the phones come with a stock like UI. You can see the settings panel, exactly the same settings panel you can see on both the phones. Both run on Android 7.1.1 out of the box. And on the other hand, we have this Moto app on the Moto G5S Plus, which provides Moto actions and Moto display. So that's some additional options. While on the other hand, we have no additional options on the Nokia 6 except for a couple of gestures supported. So that's all in the software aspect. So both the devices are slated to get the Android audio update. So in that aspect, both are really good. So we don't really have a clear win in terms of software, but since the Moto app comes with additional features, we would be slightly tempted to choose the Moto G5S Plus in terms of the software. Now let's talk about the performance. So this is one area where the Moto G5S Plus definitely has an edge because it is powered by the Snapdragon 625. On the other hand, we have Snapdragon 430 on the Nokia 6. So Snapdragon 625 is one of the tried and tested chipsets in this price point with really great performance all round. And we have 4GB RAM and 64GB storage on the Moto G5S Plus, while we have just 3GB RAM and 32GB storage on the Nokia 6. Now we have also done a detailed gaming performance review of both the phones. You can check out that video, but both the devices provide good gaming abilities. Even the Snapdragon 430 powered Nokia 6 provided good gaming abilities, but overall the gaming performance and the overall performance of the device was better on the Moto G5S Plus because it has a Snapdragon 625, which is more powerful than the Nokia 6. You can also see the benchmark score of these two devices, the Moto G5S Plus with Snapdragon 625 and the Nokia 6 with the Snapdragon 430. Now both the devices come with dual SIM cards, 4G LTE, VoLTE support, and also SD card support is included on both the phones. Now additionally, the call quality of both the phones were pretty good, and we have Dolby Atmos support on the Nokia 6, thereby the speaker performance being slightly better than the Moto G5S Plus. Now next step, let's talk about the fingerprint scanner experience. So we have a front facing fingerprint scanner on both the phones. So you can see that the Nokia 6 was slightly slower than the Moto G5S Plus in terms of the fingerprint scanner experience. Now next step, let's talk about the cameras. So we have a dual 13 megapixel camera on the Moto G5S Plus with f-stop 2.0, while we have a 16 megapixel camera on the Nokia 6. Both are having dual tone dual LED flash, and on the front panel we have an 8 megapixel shooter on both the phones. Additionally, the Moto G5S Plus comes with LED flash for the front camera as well. Now looking at the camera interface, you could see that both these devices offer decent options and tools. Both are pretty simple interface in terms of the options being offered. Now talking about the daylight captures taken with these two devices, both produces some really good images. We would say the colors were slightly better on the Moto G5S Plus, and also the sharpness levels were better on the Moto G5S Plus. The Nokia 6 produced some decent colors all around, but our choice in terms of the daylight captures would be the Moto G5S Plus. Now talking about the low light captures taken with these two devices, both did have noise creeping in the low light captures, but we would say the Moto G5S Plus did a slightly better job in terms of the low light captures along with better color reproduction. Now looking at the selfie experience, both the 8 megapixel shooter did a good job, but our personal choice would be the Moto G5S Plus because it also has this LED flash for low light selfies. Now additionally, the Moto G5S Plus also comes with electronic image stabilization and 4K recording. So those are two additional options, and along with that it also comes with LED flash for the front camera. So considering all these aspects, our pick in the camera department would be the Moto G5S Plus. Now next step, the battery performance. So we have a 3000 mAh battery on both the phones, both are sealed battery, and we have Snapdragon 625 on the Moto G5S Plus, giving it an advantage in terms of the battery performance, and overall battery experience was better on the Moto G5S Plus when compared to the Nokia 6. Both the phones can last a day without any issues, but overall experience was better on the Moto G5S Plus. So now we have talked about almost all aspects of these two phones. So summing up, which is the better device to buy in this price segment? So the Moto G5S Plus is priced 16K while the Nokia 6 is priced 15K. Both are available online only, and our choice in terms of all the aspects would be the Moto G5S Plus because it has a slightly better chipset and better camera aspects and also battery life. Everything other than that looks pretty similar on both the phones. So that's all guys with the detailed comparison of the Moto G5S Plus with the Nokia 6. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.